Hello, my name is Arturo
And my name is Luna.
and we want to show you a game that we have invented and we're very excited about that.
Yes, and this, if you don't know the month or the year, this is December, Christmas, and it also is 2024.
Yeah, so Christmas 2024, and we have invented a game which the name might exist already, but we have called it Ace.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're going to show you how to play it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Shall we do that?
Yes.
Let's go. Okay, so we're first going to start by shuffling the cards.
Yes, and we did say it was Christmas, which is in not many days.
Okay, do you want to cut?
So first you need to shuffle them, and then you need to cut, and the other person puts the other half on top. And then, do you wanna?
Oh, you go ahead.
So then you take the pack, and you put one here. Everyone has to have 5 cards, and one here, and you count it as just one. Then you put 2, then 3, 4, 5, and then you take the first card, which is there, which is a king. But we don't pick a card because it's at the start. So, do you want to start?
Little one starts, yeah? So
Okay.
the little one starts.
Yeah. So then I need to play, but I cannot play, so I need to pick a card.
Okay. And I'm going
Wait, when I've picked a card, I can play. It's a king over a king.
Okay,
And-
so a king means I need to pick 3 cards. Unless I have a king or an ace to cover on top. And as I don't have them, I'll pick 3 cards. And 3.
Don't say, oh, every game will get long if our game gets long. Not every game gets long. So now there's hearts. So I think a heart 10 will go over there because it's a heart king.
And I'll put an 8 over the hearts.
Well, I don't have an 8 or hearts anymore, so I need to pick a card. And I have got an 8. So if it's the same number or the same symbol, you can put it down. But if it's the same color but not the same symbol or not the same number, you cannot put it down.
So I'll put here a 10 of clovers.
And I cannot play, so I need to pick a card. And now I've got a 5 of clovers, so I can put it down.
And I've got a 4 of clovers and I put it down there.
And I've got a 4 of spades, so I can put it down.
And I'm going to put a 4 of hearts.
And I'm going to put, I cannot put anything really, so. I've got a joker. Ooh, I'm going to put a color joker. That means you can only change the color on this one. And this one, you can change the color, which is, on the other one, there's another joker which you can't change the color. Well, you can.
So this joker, you can change the symbol. So you can go from spades, hearts, clovers, or diamonds. So which one are you going to choose?
I'm going to choose spades.
Okay, so I'm putting down a 10 of spades,
I'm putting down a 2 of spades.
putting down 7 of spades,
Putting down a 6 of spades and ace. When you have 1 card left, you need to say ace.
If you don't say ace, you need to pick a card and you lose your turn. Okay, so I'm going to put a 6 down and I'm going to say ace as well.
But so sorry, it's a 6 and a 6, so I won the game.
So Luna won the game. Wonderful, well done.
Good. I'm going to tell you again how to do this game because at the beginning it was even complicated for me. So we're going to explain it again so you understand.
So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards each, and we
Yeah.
turn the first card. This one has come out a joker, so we're just going to put it in the
Because
middle there.
jokers won't work.
And then a 10 of spades comes down, okay?
But also, you cannot play this game with like different cards. It has to be with ordinary cards.
Okay, so say for example that there's a 10 there, okay, and so Luna's going to start playing. Can you play?
Yes, I can play very well. So you see, it's a 10 and a 4, but that won't work. But it's a spade and a spades, and that will work.
Okay, so she's put down 4 of spades, and I'm going to put it down a 4 of clovers.
Because it's 4 and 4.
4 and 4.
And now I'm going to put 5 and a 5. 5 and 4 don't work, but clovers and clovers, they do work.
Okay, so then a 10.
Clover again.
And then I'm going to put down an 8 of hearts.
Yes, because
Because
see
it's
here.
an 8 on an 8, yeah?
And now I can put a 10 of hearts because it's hearts and hearts, but it's not 10 and 10.
Okay, so this is where it gets fun.
Yep. Ace. You've got one more card and it's
So
ace.
Luna has 1 card left and she has to say ace. If she doesn't, she needs to pick a card. But I've got here a king.
But I'm so sorry.
And I'm going to say ace. And then what happens?
If you've got a king, you can put it on top, but then the game's done because I won.
Okay, so I'm left with 1 card and Luna puts a king on top of a king. So if Luna didn't put down that king, because she didn't have a king, then she would have to pick 3 cards. Okay?
Yeah.
Then the thing is, so you have a jack, you have a king,
And you have a
you
queen.
have a queen. Okay, and then you have an ace. So the game is called ace. If I put down a jack, Luna needs to pick up 1 card. Unless she's got another jack and she puts it on top.
Or unless you put a queen on top. Kings don't work, but queens.
Yeah, so Luna could put a queen on top of the jack and then I would have to pick 2 cards. But yeah, go ahead.
If Arturo has a king, then he can put that on top of this.
Yeah.
And I will need to pick 3 cards.
So then Luna would pick 3 cards.
But
let's say Luna has an ace there.
I can cancel everything and put another card underneath with the ace, whatever card it is.
Oh, so that's another ace. So let's say Luna has a 9 of diamonds and an ace of diamonds.
I can put it down and cancel everything, so I don't need to pick these 3 cards.
Yeah, so the ace cancels everything. The other thing is that whenever you have an ace, you put 2 cards down because the aim of the game is to get rid of as many cards as you can as fast as possible and to end up with 1 card that you say ace.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the last thing is, it depends which jokers you have on your deck of cards, but here we have, hold on, let me show you.
Oh, that one's turned around.
Yeah.
Make sure that your cards are the right way around, otherwise you'll get cards the wrong way around when you play the game.
So we've got 2 jokers. Do you want to explain them?
So, this joker can only change the colors and symbols, but this joker can do swap around, go around and then it's back to me, or pause, the other one loses its turn, goes back to me, or, do you want to say?
Yeah, so this wild card joker can also be a jack, a queen, a king, or an ace.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I put down this card and I say it's a jack, Luna needs to pick 1 card. If I put it down as a queen, then she needs to pick 2 cards. If I put it as a king, she needs to pick up 3 cards. And if I put it as an ace, I can put another card down. Now, the thing is that if I put it down as a king, and she has a king, she puts the king on top.
But there's also another thing. You cannot put the king down on top of anything if it is a different symbol. You have to give the symbol in whatever one of these it is.
Yeah, so you can say it's a king of diamonds.
A king of spades, a king of clovers, a king of hearts.
And then the other one has to play the same symbol.
Yeah.
Okay. We hope you enjoyed the game as much as we enjoyed playing it and showing you how to play it.
And if you want any more help on it, at the end there will be I don't know how to call it, instructions.
Yeah, we're going to add some instructions, which will be on a link at the bottom. And yeah, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas!